So in order to get started with Gremlin, you do have to install an agent. Installing an agent means understanding a little bit about where you want to test. So if you have a specific type of infrastructure, you're going to install your agent on that. Our documentation guides you through the different types of places to install our agents. And then you go back into Gremlin, you look on the Getting Started screen. Gremlin tells you whether it sees the agent, and then you define what you want your services to mean. If you are ready to get started testing, then you do have to install health checks. And a health check is just a monitoring tool. So if you've got Datadog, you got Dynatrace, you're going to set that up within the Gremlin interface. And Gremlin will use that health check while you're running tests to determine whether that test is running reliably or not. As long as there's network traffic, Gremlin can also tell you about the dependencies. We will automatically discover those dependencies for you. We'll also automatically detect risks for you. Out of box, Gremlin gives you the recommended task suites, so you don't have to think about it if you're not ready to think about it. However, if you know as an organization what kinds of tests you want to focus on and you want to align your team around, we allow you to customize your test suite. And that means you're in control. You can select whatever scenarios you've crafted, turn those into reliability tests. As long as you have monitoring in place, you can have your whole team running the same test suite and orchestrate your entire organization around that. And then once you're there, you can check out dashboards to find out what the rest of your team is doing, what the rest of your company is doing, and manage your reliability.